Hey guys, it is Marie Antoinette, leader, social influencer, and Because Cosmetics affiliate, and welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn all about my backdrop. I've gotten tons of questions on what is it, how can I get it, and what do you have on your board. So this is an Ikea Skadis PegBoard. Now, if you look at Pinterest, you can see all kinds of ideas that you can use for your Skadis PegBoard. Mine happens to be functional and yet also as a backdrop for some of my videos that you will see in the future. I love it. What I have here is 2 cups. I have 1 cup that's full of makeup brushes and the other one's full of lip colors. I have a file folder that I use for promotional materials. This bag here holds my Laycon bags and also envelopes, anything that I use to mail out samples. Of course, I have all my blushes here. I have a post packet, which I love the quote, and the Because Cash, because cash is what makes Because Cosmetics totally rock. And lastly, I have a shelf here. This shelf is full of cosmetics, lashes, and it just completes the look. The nice thing about Skadis pegboards is that it's totally customizable. So if you want to have more shelves and less things like the bag or the file folder, you can do that too. If you just wanted cups and have the cups filled with your products, you could do that also. There are so many different possibilities. I hope you enjoy this video, and I want to know, what do you use for a backdrop? I would love for you to share with me what you have, so make sure that you share your links so I can see your pictures. Hey guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell to see more future videos like this and this. If you found value in this video, do you mind sharing it with some friends? And if you're interested in Because Cosmetics, make sure that you connect with me on my social media channels listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.